Hello, everyone. This will be our 7th video on how companies can benefit from customer intelligence models and predictive strategies to improve their performance and customer retention. Do you have any other questions related to these topics?
Hi. I have been hearing about multi-agent systems and their application in business, but I am not clear where to start. Could you explain me the initial steps to implement it in my company?
Of course. The first step is to perform an initial assessment, which allows us to understand the current state of your organization and determine how a multi-agent system can be integrated to add value. This assessment basically consists of 2 phases: the audit and the data collection.
What does the audit consist of?
It is a comprehensive review of your existing systems, processes, and data. We evaluate the technology infrastructure, including servers, networks, and devices, to determine its ability to support a multi-agent system. In addition, we analyze software compatibility and verify the robustness of existing databases. In terms of operational processes, we identified critical areas that could benefit from automation, such as inventory management, order processing, and customer service. We also conduct a comprehensive security analysis, assessing potential vulnerabilities and verifying compliance with current regulations such as GDPR or ISO 27001. We also identify potential bottlenecks and optimization opportunities in your infrastructure, proposing solutions such as upgrading hardware, adopting cloud technology, or implementing more scalable and flexible architectures.
What about data collection?
It is essential to feed and train the system's agents. We identify relevant data sources, both internal and external, to ensure a complete view of the business environment. These sources may include transactional databases, CRM or ERP systems, IoT sensor logs, social media data, and even third-party data acquired to enrich the operational context. We establish extraction and storage mechanisms that ensure the security and scalability of data processing. We use big data architectures and cloud storage to handle large volumes of information and enable real-time analytics. We also implement ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading, processing flows to structure data efficiently. We perform data cleansing and validation to ensure data quality. This includes eliminating duplicates, correcting inconsistencies, and verifying data accuracy. To ensure integrity, we apply anomaly detection and cross-validation techniques, thus avoiding biases that may affect system performance. In addition, we evaluate the relevance and predictive value of the collected data to optimize the training of intelligent agents.
I understand. So, once that is done, what are the next steps?
We then move on to the design of the multi-agent system, where we define the business requirements, the roles of the agents, and their interactions. For example, in a B2B services company, such as a digital marketing consultancy, there could be agents responsible for advertising campaign management, SEO content optimization, and personalized customer service. Each agent should have a clear protocol for action and dynamically adapt to changes in market trends and customer needs. In addition, agents can collaborate to analyze campaign performance in real time and adjust strategies proactively, ensuring greater effectiveness in the services offered.
And how do we ensure that agents work well together?
We design efficient communication protocols and decision-making mechanisms, allowing agents to interact and coordinate their actions. In addition, we integrate the system with existing platforms to ensure a smooth transition. Machine learning mechanisms can be implemented to improve agent performance in real time.
Sounds very interesting, but I am concerned about performance. Is testing done before full implementation?
With real data, this allows us to analyze the behavior of the system in controlled scenarios and correct potential problems before a full-scale implementation. We also perform stress tests to ensure that the system can withstand different workloads.
How does the deployment work in the real environment?
We apply a controlled deployment, starting with a pilot phase in a limited section of the business. We continuously monitor performance, train staff, and make adjustments before expanding the system to the entire organization. During this phase, we also collect feedback to improve the end-user experience.
Suppose the system is already in operation. What happens if my company grows and we need to expand it?
No problem. That's where scalability comes into play. We design multi-agent systems with a modular architecture, allowing you to add or modify agents without affecting performance. In addition, we implement strategies such as load balancing and efficient resource management to ensure smooth operation as your business grows. Cloud computing techniques can be applied to optimize workload distribution.
And as for maintenance, what does it involve?
It is a continuous process. We monitor performance, perform periodic upgrades, and establish failover protocols. In addition, we maintain detailed documentation to facilitate future enhancements or expansions. Depending on the level of automation required, we can also program automatic adjustments to the system configuration.
Are there tools that facilitate the scalability and maintenance of the system?
Yes, Jade and AgentScope platforms, among others, can be used, as well as cloud infrastructure that allows scaling resources according to demand. In addition, monitoring tools such as Nagios or Zabbix help us to monitor system performance in real time. There are failure prediction systems that allow us to anticipate problems before they affect the operation.
This all sounds great, but what are the tangible benefits of implementing a multi-agent system?
The benefits are wide-ranging and significant. First, it improves operational efficiency by optimizing processes and reducing human error, which increases task accuracy. In addition, it allows complex tasks to be automated, saving time and resources, and allowing personnel to focus on strategic activities. Another key aspect is adaptability. The multi-agent system responds quickly to changes in the market, adjusting to new trends or customer demands, providing a competitive advantage by reacting with agility. It also optimizes resource allocation by identifying consumption patterns and forecasting future demands through predictive analytics, which is useful in the B2B services sector for adjusting digital marketing campaigns and anticipating specialized staffing needs. Finally, it facilitates informed decision-making by analyzing real-time data, providing valuable information for strategic planning, and continuously improving internal processes. This results in sustainable growth and increased customer satisfaction.
You have convinced me. What would be the next step to start?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve customer management.